Did you hear about the guy who drove his car over molten hot lava? Yeah, he said he wanted Hot Wheels. Time to pump the brakes on these jokes. We're driving you insane and really starting to exhaust our options here. It's time to back up, remain neutral, consult the manual, and hopefully shift these reviews into a new direction. Any ideas on what we've got here? Keep watching, and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary. And this is my buddy Matt. We're just a bunch of gadget nerds who were lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. So while getting 8 packages a day delivered from Amazon sounds like a lot of fun, things started to get a little crowded here in Matt's garage. All we ask is for you to get involved. Like the video, comment on the products you'd like to win, subscribe to Review to You with notifications enabled so that we can let you know each week when the winners are announced. Okay, back to today's product review and giveaway. It's the Hot Wheels RC 164 scale 2017 Nissan Gt-R RC car. This week, we're not sure if the kids will be more excited about our reviewed product or all the dads out there. Both Matt and myself have fond memories of playing around with Hot Wheels when we had much less gray hair covering our heads. We're guilty of giving this toy a very thorough test well before we handed it over to the kids. Fans of Japanese sports cars will instantly recognize the modern adaptation of an all-time classic. This is the new and improved Nissan Gt-R R35. Godzilla had a facelift. The package comes with the 164 scale Gt-R car, duh, a looping track piece, RC controller, an instruction manual. But if you're anything like us, not a word of the instructions will ever be read. So what do we like about the Hot Wheels RC 164 scale 2017 Nissan Gt-R RC car? Well, for starters, the car itself. The detail is incredible, and it actually looks like a little miniature R35, down to the instantly recognizable signature dual taillights. It's also covered in tuner-style decals across the body, with a huge "Send It" across the hood, which is exactly what we did the first time we drove it. Turbo button, baby! The aesthetics of the wheel arches have been widened and slightly angled to assist with driving the RC around the course. The track piece is a simple Y-style ramp that can connect to your other existing Hot Wheel tracks so you can really customize a course and test out your driving skills. The controller itself is shaped a little like a modern Xbox controller with a dual joystick setup that should feel very familiar. The left is for forward and reverse, and the right is for steering. A big center button is used for pairing the RC car to the hand controller, and a left and right arrow are for fine-tuning the steering trim alignment. Interestingly, there is a turbo button on the right-hand shoulder of the controller. It doesn't give the car any more power or speed, but what it does do is immediately pump all the car's available power into the rear wheels. It's kind of like hitting the nitrous button and giving the car a crazy boost of acceleration. Think that big red button on the steering wheel of a car straight out of Fast and Furious. The controller takes 4 AA batteries and has a small USB connector to recharge the RC car itself. This keeps the battery weight out of the car. And as we know, less weight means more speed. This thing is pretty quick too. We tore it across the kitchen floor for a solid 15 minutes of donuts and figure eights with the turbo button pressed down the whole time and still didn't go through a full battery charge. The devil's in the details, though. The Hot Wheels RC 164 scale 2017 Nissan Gt-R RC car handles beautifully. with a smart axle sending power bias to one side while turning to maintain grip and prevent spinning out. Just how a real rear differential works. What's the downside? The rear tires are rubber, which is great, but the front wheels, they're plastic. This means that the rear wheels are the ones that steer, and it doesn't really handle like a proper RC car, which can be a little awkward and off-putting. So, remember when we said we didn't read the instruction manual? Well, there's a particular and arguably overcomplicated process you need to follow to engage the charging cycle that you have no chance of knowing about unless you read the instruction manual. So just bite the bullet and open the thing. So what's the verdict? Both our inner children and our regular children had epic fun driving this Hot Wheels RC 160 Ford scale 2017 Nissan Gt-R RC car around the house and annoying the wife. We give it a rating of 4 stars. Plenty of good times to be had at a low price point. And the Hot Wheels RC 164 scale 2017 Nissan Gt-R RC car could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To win this amazing product, the rules are very simple. Just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hashtag HOTWHEELS. That's it. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.